Hey friend, I'm glad you're here. Recently, I shared a brand new journey that I've began when I opened my JAFRA order with you. If you didn't see that one, it's okay because we're gonna open the smaller boxes now and go over that. I'm super excited because we didn't really get to slow down. We just opened the shipping box. So today I thought we'd do something a little bit different. No rushing, no fancy production, just you and me sitting here, honestly in my kitchen. And we're gonna be looking at the products one at a time and talk about what I'm hoping to learn and accomplish with this product challenge that I've given myself over the next 30 days. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Rebecca. I'm a certified health coach. I'm almost 40 years old, and on this channel, we talk about caring for the whole person, body, mind, and spirit. We talk about fasting, nutrition, faith, and learning to take better care of the body that God has entrusted to us. Today, we're adding one more piece to that conversation, our skin. I've shared before that my mom has faithfully used JAFRA for about 50 years, and my older sister, Angel, has also used JAFRA faithfully for as many years as I know. And I've personally used JAFRA products as an independent adult for about 20 years, being 40. But even as a child, I know my mom had us using the products. 3 women, 3 different generations, all choosing the same company. And that made me curious, not just because of family tradition, but because I wanted to understand what has kept us coming back all these years. I also want to be completely transparent with you. I am about to sign up to be a JAFRA consultant because I was already purchasing the products and loved the idea of receiving a discount and sharing them if they truly can help someone else. Why not? If you ever choose to purchase through one of the links in one of my descriptions or on my website, I may receive a small commission, but this series isn't about convincing you to buy skincare. It's about discovering together whether these products really live up to the reputation that they've had in my family for decades. And can I share one more thought with you before we begin? One of my favorite women in the Bible is Esther. And people often remember her beauty. But have you read the story? What has always inspired me is her character, her courage, her humility, and the woman that she became. Now, that's the kind of beauty that I want to pursue. It's not about perfection. It's not trying to look 20 forever. We can't. We're not going to. But learning to care well for the body that God has given us while continuing to grow into the woman that He created me to be, you to be. He created us to be magnificent. So that's the heart behind this series. So let's slow down. We're gonna open these one at a time and see what we've got. I'm super excited. The first step, if you were gonna be doing the full rhythm, would be the Defy Rich Cream Cleanser. It's a pretty good size. It's actually 4.2 fluid ounces or 125 milliliters. Oh, look, how fancy, right? Makes you feel like royalty just when you open it. It's glistening. This one is Rich Cream Cleanser. It's been clinically and dermatologist tested for all skin types. And to use this, you just spread it over your skin and you can wipe it off with a tissue or cotton pad. That's it. Now, you can also rinse if desired. Like if you have makeup on, you probably want to wash your makeup off and then you might want to use this. It depends, like if you're going to use an extra makeup remover. But this should be your first step in your skincare regimen. So you'll use this. The next thing I would do is the antioxidant oil. This stuff I love. My mom says that she feels it leaves her skin feeling a little bit oily, so she doesn't love it, but it's one of my favorites. So that's why you kind of have to experiment, but I think it's great. Antioxidant face oil. All you do with this one is apply 4 to 5 drops to the palm of your hand, then press onto your face and neck. It's super easy to use. Ooh, first time I've used it. I mean, this bottle, I have used it, but this bottle is my first. So it's just like a little dropper. See? So you could just do like 4 drops. And honestly, this bottle lasts a long time, I feel like. I've had mine for a while before I've had to order more. So we have that as well. That would be the second step. So you're gonna wash. Then you're gonna put on a few drops of the oil. Next, I would use the eye treatment. Ooh, nice. This one. This is the Lift Express eye treatment. It's the one that you can use once or twice a day. You just pull off the cap and you can put an even layer on your skin. See, isn't that cool? So it just a little bit will squeeze out. Let me see if I can show you. See how that is? And then you just put it on. And you're gonna dab it on, but you actually don't even have to use your finger. You can just squeeze it out and then use the applicator itself to put the moisturizer around your eyes very gently and into the crevices. It gives your eyes and this puffiness a little bit of massage, helps the lymph glands kind of drain a little bit, but that's a separate thing. Use this third. And then active, I can do it. Give me a second. Okay, this stuff is great. This is your active firming serum. Pop off the lid. This you can just squirt it out. It's just a little bit, and then you're gonna put it all over your whole face. But honestly, it really doesn't take much when you do use these products. I remember my mom teaching me again and again, just a little bit, just a little bit. It only takes a tiny bit. So the smallest amount to kind of cover your whole surface, that's all you need. You don't need like a big glob of it. That's just being wasteful and you'll go through product faster. So just use a little bit at a time. Next, this one's my favorite because I feel like it is the most impactful. If you were only going to use one of these products, this would be the most impact. This is the Defy 4D Defining Hydrator. You want to hear the description? I like how they describe these things. It's always so romantic sounding. It's age-defying cream with a luxurious texture, hydrates and visibly firms, plumps, and provides a lifted, youthful look. At the heart of the formula is JAFRA's exclusive Royal Jelly RJX, Royal Jelly Oil, plus rare white truffle essence. And then there's the directions like I gave you. And it's very simple. You just put it on after you've done your other things. If you're only buying 2 products, you're gonna get the face wash and the moisturizer. So face wash and then moisturize. But if you've got it all, do it in this order. Twice a day. This one is your sunblock. You only need to use this once a day in the morning after you've put everything else on. And honestly, you don't have to use this one every day, but you can if you feel like you are out in the sun a lot or that you need that extra protection for your skin. This stuff is going to be great because if you're using sunblock on your face, sunblock itself, it's great. It protects you, right? If you're trying to avoid a sunburn, it's doing its job. But it could be so full of chemicals that could be harmful to the skin on your face because it's your face and it's just more sensitive and there's so many little crevices and there's access to your mouth, your nose, your eyes. There's just so much going on here that using a high quality sunblock on your face at the minimum is a good idea. So if you get the whole set on their website, I believe this honestly comes with it, I think. At least it did this time. And this will last you quite a while. So this is the whole set to use together. I also realized after I opened my box last time with my product, they gave me this. So I wanted to show you guys. Look, it's royal olive. I don't know, it just looked really cool. I haven't used it yet. It's a body lotion and a body oil. Let's just open it because we might as well. We're doing it anyways. Okay, nice. So it's like little hotel type packets, like if you were gonna stay at a hotel, to let you try it out. That's really cool. The oil, let's see what it says. To use the oil, apply onto the skin after the body lotion or body butter and massage until absorbed. That's interesting. So it wants the lotion first, which is just apply to clean, dry skin. That's easy enough. You guys want to try it? I'm just gonna do it because we're already here and I'm already recording. Ugh, it's hard to get open. So I guess that means it's good for travel. Oh no, here we go. It comes open right here. All right, got it. All right, the lotion. There is a lot in here actually. There is definitely more than one try. I'm gonna put that in my little box. Look at this. Okay. Like normal lotion. Very good. It's a nice lightweight lotion. I honestly expected it to be really heavy just because it's a JAFRA product. And a lot of their products are very rich and thick. And this one is actually very lightweight. I kind of like it. But I think I used too much because even that little bit that I got isn't really absorbing very quickly. And I can't pause my video with oil on my hands. I didn't think this through very well. Okay, but it is good. I mean, it's definitely goes far. The amount that I just used, I probably could have used all over, honestly. But we'll just try it out. I could just talk to you about these products for a minute. I think I will, just because my hands are wet. Really, I love these products. And I already had a YouTube channel going. I don't know if you've seen any of my health videos, but nutrition is my primary focus. I love nutrition and everything holistic and health. I'm a little bit obsessed with it. Which is why I make all these videos about it. But when I was doing my skincare regimen just a few days ago and I was out of product and trying to use the last of what I had and waiting for this to arrive, and I thought how rough it is for women, men too, we all care about our skin, let's be honest, right? It's not just women, men care too. But how many care and have never even heard of this product? How many friends do I have that I've never told about this? I've never had a JAFRA party. If you're old enough, you would remember the Mary Kay parties and the Avon parties and the Pampered Chef. Oh my gosh, Pampered Chef. I forgot about it. I mean, I even have some of the dishes still. How crazy is that? Those sandstone ones, those are fun. I still love using them. They last forever if you don't break them. But I don't do Pampered Chef. The point is, do you remember the parties? Like, women were always gathering together and hosting parties, and they were selling stuff like products, right? And women, some women made money. Most women lost money. I think like everybody would sign up and they're gonna get, you know, the pink Mary Kay. What was it? Oh, some kind of, it was a really cool car. I can't remember now. But the point is, those days existed. And back in the day, JAFRA could be sold like that, just like Mary Kay was. But nowadays, who has Mary Kay parties? Who has JAFRA parties? Nobody. So how am I going to tell my friends about it? How am I going to get the word out? YouTube, yes, this is how we're together in this moment because I was already doing YouTube and I love their products and, well, JAFRA, I mean, I guess I love YouTube too, but we're just putting them both together. And I hope that you guys can learn and enjoy and grow with me as we experiment with these products. And if you are interested in getting any, the link below, like I said, I actually have not got it set up yet, but I'm going to. By the time I post this video, I will have it ready for you guys. I think that's it. I think that's all for now. But I will see you soon in the next video.